Hola, nuevos amigos. ¿Cómo están hoy? ¿Están muy bien? Me alegro. I am also doing great. I'm Señorita Garcia. In this lesson of Nuevos Amigos, Juanita and Alex will keep on looking for Diego. Do you think Diego could be hanging out at his favorite restaurant? I guess we'll find out as Juanita and Alex continue to search for him. The verb for today will be pedir. Pedir means to ask for. Say it with me. Pedir. Muy bien. I'm going to use pedir in a sentence. Voy a pedir mi comida favorita. Say it with me. Voy a pedir mi comida favorita. Una vez más. Voy a pedir mi comida favorita. Muy bien. Let's practice our verb for the day and sing our theme song using the verb pedir.
Voy a pedir mi comida favorita. Voy a pedir mi comida favorita. Voy a pedir mi comida favorita. Voy a pedir. Voy a pedir mi comida favorita. Voy a pedir mi comida favorita. Voy a pedir mi comida favorita. Voy a pedir.
Today we're going to study how to say the names for hot beverages, bebidas calientes, and cold beverages, bebidas frías. We'll also learn the names for foods eaten at breakfast, el desayuno, lunch, el almuerzo, mid-afternoon snack, la merienda, and dinner, la cena. You'll also learn how to order food and drinks at a restaurant.
Señorita Garcia, tengo mucha hambre. I'm very hungry. Let's find a great restaurant to eat at. Where are we gonna eat? ¿A dónde vamos a comer?
I have an idea. I know Zach is returning soon from South America, and I know that he'll be wanting to eat at a restaurant here in the United States of America.
¿Cuál restaurante? Which restaurant?
No sé, Juanita. Vamos a pensar. Oh, I just received a flyer for this new restaurant that has great hamburgers. Están ricas las hamburguesas.
Did you know that Zach loves to eat hamburgers? Zach le gusta comer hamburguesas.
Repeat after me, nuevos amigos. Las hamburguesas.
Las hamburguesas. ¿Cómo se llama el restaurante?
El restaurante se llama Wimpy's. I wonder if they have other food besides hamburguesas on the menu.
How do you say menu in Spanish?
That's menú. Repeat after me. Menú.
Menú.
Well, Juanita, there's only one way of finding out. I'll go to the restaurant and try some of the other dishes they serve. Adiós, Juanita.
Nos vemos, Señorita Garcia. Let's review how to say the names of meal times. The first meal of the day would be breakfast. Do you remember how to say breakfast in Spanish? El desayuno is correct. El desayuno. Muy bien. How about lunchtime? El almuerzo. El almuerzo. Muy bien. What about the mid-afternoon snack? Did you say la merienda? Good job. Una vez más. La merienda. And last but not least, at the end of the day, we eat dinner. Dinner in Spanish is what? La cena. La cena. Very good, Nuevos Amigos. Bienvenida al restaurante de Wimpy's. Yo soy su camarera. Me llamo Melanie.
Hola, Melanie. Yo me llamo Señorita Garcia. Camarera is the word for waitress, and camarero is the word for waiter. Let's say camarera together. Camarera. Now let's say camarero. Camarero. Camarera. ¿Me puede traer el menú, por favor?
Sí, con mucho gusto. Aquí lo tiene.
Muchas gracias, Melanie.
De nada.
Bueno, nuevos amigos, vamos a leer el menú juntos. Las bebidas calientes. Me gusta beber café con leche. I like to drink coffee with milk. I hope they have it on the menu. Let's see. El chocolate. That's chocolate. El té. Tea. El té con limón. That's tea with lemon. El café. Coffee. Olé. Yes, they have it. I will order it with my merienda or my late afternoon snack. El café con leche. Coffee with milk. Hey, look over here. Las bebidas frías. El jugo. That's the juice. La limonada. Lemonade. El refresco. Soft drink. La botella de agua mineral. Bottled mineral water. El vaso de agua con limón. Glass of water with lemon. El licuado. Smoothie or fruit shake. I think I will also order el vaso de agua con limón, the glass of water with lemon, with my merienda. Let's see. I've already eaten breakfast, el desayuno, but let's see what they have anyway. Maybe I'll come back for breakfast in the morning. El desayuno, la avena, oatmeal, el cereal, cereal, los huevos fritos, fried eggs, los huevos revueltos, scrambled eggs, el pan tostado, toast, la mermelada, marmalade, la margarina, margarine, la toronja, grapefruit. Let's see, what is the Spanish word for lunch? Did you say almuerzo? Yes, correcto. Some of your Spanish-speaking friends may also call it la comida. Let's see what's on el menú. El almuerzo, la ensalada, salad, el pollo, chicken, la hamburguesa, hamburger, las legumbres, could also be las hortalizas or las verduras, vegetables, el pan, bread, la gelatina, gelatin. The last meal of the day is called dinner, and in Spanish it is called la cena. I hope they have fish on the menu. I love fish. La cena. El pescado, fish. La carne, meat. El jamón, ham. Los espaguetis con albóndigas, spaghetti and meatballs. El pavo, turkey. El arroz, rice. La sopa, soup. Las zanahorias, carrots. Now I'm ready for my snack. I think I'm ready to order now. Camarera!
¿Quiere algo de beber?
Sí, quiero café con leche y un vaso de agua con limón.
¿Qué va a pedir para la merienda?
Voy a pedir la tortilla española para comer. Gracias.
De nada.
I just ordered my drinks and food for my mid-afternoon snack. Acabo de pedir las bebidas el café con leche y el vaso de agua con limón. Y mi comida es la tortilla española para mi merienda. ¡Qué rico! Tengo mucha hambre. Hola, Zach.
¿Qué tal, señorita García?
¿Dónde estás hoy, Zach?
Estoy en el país de Paraguay.
¡Qué bien, Zach! Would you like more information on Paraguay?
Yes, señorita García. Ask Dora for more information on Paraguay.
Claro que sí. Hola, Dora.
Hola, señorita García. ¿Y Zach?
We were wondering if you could help us find some information on Paraguay.
I'd be happy to. Type it in and let's see what I can come up with.
Muy bien. Paraguay.
Here you go.
Paraguay is the only country in Latin America to have a native language as the official language. That's called Guarani. It also has the oldest Spanish capital in South America, Asunción, which was founded in 1536. The capital of Paraguay is Asunción. The full name is Nuestra Señora Santa María de Asunción. The Guarani is a Paraguayan currency. Paraguay has a very unusual flag. This flag has two sides that are different. Both flags have horizontal stripes, red, white, and blue. The other side of the flag has the national symbol on the white stripe. The tricolor of red, white, and blue represent liberty, equality, and fraternity. The majority of the people of Paraguay are mestizos. That is, about 95% are mestizos. About 5% of the population is an interesting mixture of ethnic groups. Some are of African descent whose ancestors were slaves brought to Paraguay. Other groups have been arriving from Europe. There are also communities of Japanese farmers, Mennonites, which are German-speaking, and Brazilians who live along the Paraguay-Brazil border. There is also the indigenous Indian group that are 1% to 2%. Two official languages are recognized in Paraguay's 1967 Constitution. That's Spanish and Guarani. Spanish is the language of government and education and the dominant language of commerce. Guarani is the language of everyday life for most people. Paraguay is the only country in the Western Hemisphere whose daily language is an Aboriginal one rather than a European import. If you are from Paraguay, you would call yourself a Paraguayo or a Paraguaya. Paraguay is surrounded by other countries or is landlocked, just like Bolivia. It has no ocean coastline. There are three major rivers in Paraguay: the Paraná, the Paraguay, and the Pilcomayo. The weather in Paraguay is windy and rainy during some parts of the year. There is no real spring or autumn in Paraguay, but April and September are transitional or in-between months for the two main seasons.
Wow! That was a lot of information on Paraguay. I wish you were here, Señorita Garcia. I'm getting kind of homesick. I miss all of my amigos back home.
You'll be okay, Zach. Have fun and enjoy Paraguay. Adios.
Adiós, Dora and Señorita Garcia.
Adiós.
Gracias por la información. Es tiempo para sacar el mapa de Sudamérica. Vamos a buscar a Paraguay. Aquí está Paraguay. Sí, sí, sí. Now let's pull out our Latin American map and find Paraguay on the South American continent. vamos a colorear, cortar y pegar el país de Paraguay. Let's color, cut out, and glue the country of Paraguay. What countries are next to it? Paraguay shares borders with Brazil in the east, el este, and northeast, nordeste. Bolivia is in the northwest, noroeste, and Argentina from the southeast, sudeste, to the southwest, suroeste. The capital is Asunción. Let's say Asunción. Let's say that again. Asunción. Now let's draw a star for Asunción. Muy bien. Remember, let's take care of our world. When you take care of your world, you also take care of yourself.
1, 2, 3, pa. 1, 2, 3, ra. 1, 2, 3, guay. 1, 2, 3. Viva, viva Paraguay. Viva, viva Paraguay. 1, 2, 3, pa. 1, 2, 3, ra. 1, 2, 3, guay. 1, 2, 3. Viva, viva Paraguay. Viva, viva Paraguay.
Well, Nuevos Amigos, we've learned so much in today's show. We learned the names of meal times in Spanish, en español. Cold beverages, bebidas frías. Hot beverages, bebidas calientes. We also learned how to read the menu in Spanish. There were so many items to choose from. We learned short phrases like, ¿Quiere algo de beber? ¿Qué va a pedir para la merienda? There are so many words that we learned in this lesson. Let's take a moment to write these in our Spanish journal. El desayuno, la avena, oatmeal, el cereal, cereal, los huevos fritos, fried eggs, los huevos revueltos, scrambled eggs, el pan tostado, toast, la mermelada, marmalade, la margarina, margarine, la toronja, grapefruit. Let's see, what is the Spanish word for lunch? Did you say almuerzo? Yes, correcto. Some of your Spanish-speaking friends may also call it la comida. Let's see what's on el menú. El almuerzo, la ensalada, salad, el pollo, chicken, la hamburguesa, hamburger, las legumbres, could also be las hortalizas or las verduras, vegetables, el pan, bread, la gelatina, gelatin. The last meal of the day is called dinner, and in Spanish it is called la cena. I hope they have fish on the menu. I love fish. La cena. El pescado, fish. La carne, meat. El jamón, ham. Los espaguetis con albóndigas, spaghetti and meatballs. El pavo, turkey. El arroz, rice. La sopa, soup. Las zanahorias, carrots. Wow, that is a lot of words. We have run out of time, but we'll see each other very soon. Nos vemos muy pronto. Acuérdense, cuando aprendemos más de un idioma, podemos hacer nuevos amigos. Adiós.